My name's Kelly Gilson, and I'm the Executive Director with United Way Oxford. And I wanted to take a few moments to tell you about what United Way Oxford is doing to help support our community during this COVID-19 crisis that we're in.
Okay, thanks a lot, Kelly. And just tell us, number one, what is the program that you've just initiated?
Well, we've launched a COVID-19 Community Response Fund specifically so that we can have dollars to help mobilize quickly on the ground with community partners. And I think what really matters here is this is, it's a difficult time, and it's a scary and unsettling time. And United Way can use our skills at fundraising and our contacts to both raise some dollars, but more importantly, distribute those dollars to some existing partners, but to other partners that perhaps we haven't worked with, but we know are on the ground doing important work right now.
Okay, and how would somebody access that funding? What's the protocol?
So if someone is interested in making a donation, they can go to our website and do that. But for an organization that is currently serving community members, and we're focusing on really basic needs. We want to make sure that people who need food are getting food. We want to make sure that people who need shelter are getting shelter, and that people are getting mental health supports. So they can go, organizations can go. We have a little mini application, and we're trying to do a 2 or 3 day turnaround to get money to those groups to continue their good work.
Is there a demonstrated need for this right now, or is this just you guys reacting to what you perceive to be a need?
Well, we know based on just the phone calls we're getting that the need is real. We know that we're spending a lot of time talking with community groups to try and offer supports or resources as well. So we know that things are really difficult for so many. There's been obviously a lot of people who are no longer employed, people who were vulnerable and marginalized beforehand didn't have resources to adequately prepare and stock up. And we know that, things are tough for a lot of people from every age group, families, young children, teens and seniors. And so we want to work with our community to try and get resources out to as many places as possible to help meet the need.
So the need is there, and people need to reach out to you to access or to make those donations, right?
So, and they can actually also reach out to they may already be connected to a group. So whether it's one of the local food groups or food banks or organizations that are all senior centers that are doing some amazing work. So they can reach out to where they're connected. And then we will see that those organizations, if they apply, can get some funding to help continue on their good work. And we're also working with our student nutrition program because we know a lot of kids relied on the food that was in schools, and now they're not in school. And so we're working with that group. We've been a partner for many, many years, and we're doing intake to help families that relied on those foods get some access to additional foods.
And maybe just give us a couple of contact ways, phone number, email, websites.
So you can call the United Way office, 519-539-3851. And we're all working from home, but the phones will all get to us. You can go to our website at unitedwayoxford.ca. And again, follow us on social media. We're also posting and trying to keep up with the programs and services that are being offered and how those are adapting. We have some amazing partners, some that have had to close for a variety of reasons for now, for the service they provide, and others that are really adjusting to meet people's needs in a unique and new way based on the current situation.
Right, because No, there would be a lot of people out there now that would have never had to have accessed your services.
That's right.
And now they're reaching out and looking for assistance, and you guys would be a valuable resource for that.
Thank you. It's a really unsettled time for everyone, frankly. And for people that have not found themselves in a position where they've needed help and support before, it's really, it's unnerving and people don't know where to go. And so I would also remind people that 211 is a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week information and referral source. It's free, and they too are keeping up on all the changing situations of services so they can refer people to the right organization at the right time.
All right, well, thanks a lot for your time today, Kelly, and appreciate you mentioning 211 again to everybody. Very valuable resource out there. I'm John Payne for Rogers TV.
Thanks, and be well, everyone.